Hi guys, long time no see. So today I'm here and I got a little hot girl dress on. And you can't wear no bra with this at all. And I taped my boobs for this look, so I want to show you how I tape my boobs for this hot girl dress. This dress came from Shein, by the way, for like $8. So I'm gonna show you guys how I tape my boobs. Okay guys, so I'm back and I did tape my boobs for this look already. I just gotta show you how I did it. So this is one of my OG moves, just not pulling it all the way over the shoulder, but strictly just pulling it in this area, putting it in this area rather, so nobody can see it. So this dress is kind of difficult too because as you can see, it got a whole lot of side boob action out, and you want to make sure you don't go too far in the corner for them to see the side boob, okay? Get up. All right, so as always, you definitely want to measure your boob from the bottom to the top, like I'm doing right here. So I'm going to start at the bottom and I'm going to go up to the top. And I am going to cut it right there. And pull it slowly because you don't want it to just roll up everywhere. And then you're going to start at the bottom of your boob. In this case, we're going to go right here. We're going to go right there. So we don't go in too much. We're going to start at the bottom of our boob. And we're going to pull up on our breast like that. Because you definitely want to make sure you get the lift. Because that's the whole point of it, is to get the lift. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to cut right here. So guys, I know you're like, Jasmine, you've been making videos in this bathroom lately, but I just bought this house and I'm absolutely in love with my bathroom. It's the lighting for me. Like, the lighting is so good that I don't think I'll make content anywhere else in here, but I'll figure it out. But yeah, and I'm gonna give you guys a house tour soon. I should have done the empty house tour, which I'll show you guys when my kids did, but yeah. Okay, so then there's that. So it's completely lifted on both sides. I put about 6 or 7 strips on both sides just because when I'm doing this method, it's like, I want to feel secure. Like when it goes over your shoulder, you feel like, okay, it's not going anywhere. But when it's this method, you like, is it going to roll? Like, what's going to happen? So I definitely like to put a lot more tape. So now I'm going to pull my dress back up for you guys. Pull my hair to the front. And tie my dress up. So this dress, like I said, it's a little tricky. It's a real hot girl dress. Okay, so tie my dress back up and I want to pull it down. Now, like I said, this is a little tricky. You got to pull it because it's like at an angle. You might have to trim a little bit because like right here in the corner we're a little visible. And we're not trying to be. Well, nobody in our business. So we're gonna cut it right there. And boom. We're good to go on both sides. Pull our little dress up, cover up our back fat, and we're good to go. We outside with our little dress on. You know what to do. Order your boob tape today at shoptheshoelift.com.